right. Good morning, fellow traders. It's Wednesday. Happy hump day. 2 minutes until the market opens. And let's do this. Alright, so looking at the 15-minute chart here, it's trading within this channel here. So I'm going to, let me see here, 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's trading within this channel here on the chart to the right. So I'm more leaning towards the long here. We'll go back to the 15-minute here. Right now, currently, it's trading below the VWAP and above the 9-period moving average here. Looks like on the 15-minute chart on the right, it's bouncing off this 100-period moving average. So, yeah, I'm leaning more towards the long here. Now, the first 5 minutes, I do not trade. I just see where the general direction is, and then I make the decision. So, we got one more minute left until the market opens. And yeah, we'll see what happens today. All right. Yeah, this looks like a very good, a nice long opportunity here. "30 seconds left. "10 seconds. Yeah, it looks extremely bullish so far. And ding, ding, ding. We are off. Interesting to see how today pans out. I think it's going to be pretty much the same. Pretty much the same here. There's no... The only report that I see for today is the... what is it? The petroleum report. So there's really not much in terms of... market moving events. Alright, so it's really stuck in this range here, 31 and 32.75, really tight range. We filtered this down to like 5 here. Tape's been kind of slow. Whoa, a lot of buyers just stepped up here. And a lot of sellers came in here. Yeah, I think I could increase the size now to filter to 10. Yeah, that's better now. Alright, so 2 minutes into the market. Not much going on so far. Just patiently waiting until the 5-minute bar closes. This is potential 30's potential support. So my plan of action right now is definitely gonna go long once the price moves above the 9 period moving average and above the VWAP. That's my plan of action thus far. Now, obviously, anything could happen, anything could change depending on the situation. Now, it looks like the bears are trying to crack this dirty here. And, ooh, look at this. They're banging hard. Look at this delta here. Trying to break that hard. Yeah, a lot of buyers are stepping up to the plate at that level, the 30 level. So, yeah, just went as low as 29.50, and the buyers just stepped up to the plate. Yeah, they're really defending. Bulls are really defending this level. Alright, we got 1 minute left until the 5-minute bar closes. For the new viewers, if you're wondering, my setup for the chart is this is market profile, obviously volume profile on the side. This blue, like light blue line is a VWAP, and this red line is the red moving average is the 9-period moving average. All I use is default settings, so it's nothing crazy here. For the chart on the right is a 15-minute chart, and I alternate between 15, 30, and 1 hour, and daily on this side of the chart. Usually leave it on 15 minutes, but the moving averages on this chart is the orange one is the 200-period moving average, the yellow one is the 100-period moving average, and the red one is the 50-period moving average. In terms of the indicators here, and that's pretty much it. Over here, obviously, is the sales in time. All right. Yeah, the bulls are coming in strong here. Coming in real hot. I don't want to go long here because this VWAP could act as potential resistance, and the reward for that is kind of low, so I'm not going to go long here. I also don't want to go short because it's right on the 100-period moving average, and it looks like it's acting as support, so shorting there would be horrible too. So I'm just going to wait until I see more confirmation here and a better risk-reward opportunity. Ideally, I want to see a break and hold this VWAP. Even if that occurs, I'm not going to buy right away because it's a little bit too extended after this run up here. So I want to wait for like a slight pullback. That's what I'm thinking about while this is happening. Now the unfortunate thing is that this could act as resistance as well. So it's kind of, and this 50-period moving average could also act as resistance. So there's a confluence of indicators here that's preventing me to go long too. So we will have to see. There's got to be more things for me to trade here. Yeah, the bulls are in control now. Bulls are definitely in control. Let me filter this to 1. Let me get used to seeing at least one print here. It's not going too fast here. You know what? I'm gonna do 2. Yeah. I mean, it closed above the VWAP, and it's above the 9-period moving average. However, this move looks a little extended, so I'm not gonna go along just yet. There could be potential resistance at the 36.25 as well. So there's not too much reward here as of yet. Looking at this chart here, yeah, this looks like a broadening formation. Let me draw that. This looks like a broadening formation. A chart pattern that I find highly reliable. So if I were to go long, my target would be around there, around the 40. Wow, the bulls are really strong now. They're coming in. They're coming in strong. If I was gonna go long, I would have been longed at that close above the VWAP. But now, you know, I'm not gonna chase here. Obviously, I would have most likely took the profit at around this level at 36 if I was long once this broke. Look at all these sell orders that just came in. Yep. So 10 minutes into the session, still no trade. Yeah, this is really bullish here. Sellers coming in. Oh, look at all these. Alright, so apparently 36 is resistance here. I'm obviously not going to go short here. And the reasoning why I don't want to go short is because even though this move is extended a little bit in the 1 minute chart, is, you know, we're in a clear uptrend. Yeah, we're in a clear uptrend, and it could potentially go up to 38. So there's no point in short there. Should it to go long or not so long right now is the question. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go long. Yep. The way the price is acting, I'm gonna go long here. Oops. I'm gonna move it up. 35. Oh. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. Missed that move. I should have been a little bit more quick with that. That's a shame. That is a shame. Just missed that whole move. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah, I just missed the move. Yeah, chasing here is not a good idea. Chasing here is definitely not a good idea. Looks like resistance at 37 here. Oh, this long would have been really nice right here. Oh, look at that long. It's buy and hold, pretty much. So, 13 minutes into the trading session. Just nothing yet. Missed opportunity here. Didn't want to chase by a tick or two. If I were to get in here, I would probably get out at around at this level right here, actually. 38. Now, oh, wow. Amazing. They're running the highs. Two opportunities. I wasn't going to take this. I should have probably taken that. Definitely should have taken this, but obviously I was planning on taking it, but I was too late to the party. Could have just pushed buy market, but yeah. Sellers coming in strong now. Oh, lordy, lordy. I don't want to buy here because this could be start of a trend break here. So I don't want to get caught holding the back there. And this move was extended, to be honest with you. This move up here, slightly extended here. Yeah, this line, this is slightly extended. It looks like a trend line break here. I also don't want to go short here because it is still above the VWAP and the 9-period moving average, so not a good idea to go short here as well. This was probably a situation looking back in it that I could have just bought it at market instead of waiting for like one tick there. Just for waiting one tick costs me this whole move here. That's alright. Lesson learned. Yeah, if I was long here, I would get out by now. I would get out here. If I was long. If I held at this point, I would have been long gone here. Yeah, looks like there's resistance forming at 38.50 here. Near the highs. Very, very strong market, however. This is a very strong market. Oh, bouncing right off the 9-period moving average. Wow. Very strong. Should I go long here? It could be a false breakout though. This is iffy here. Going along here. Iffy. It is trading right around this volume here. Yeah, this may be a pullback in a deeper. I'm just concerned because it is kind of extended here. That's still my only concern here going along there. Looking at the 15-minute chart, yeah, it is kind of extended here. I also obviously don't want to short here. Decisions. To me, this may be potentially flagging to the upside. That's what it kind of looks like it's doing here. We'll look at Delta here. This area here, the 36s to the 38s, is becoming a key level here based on the price action. Buyers are so strong. They're just stepping up. They are just stepping up the plate here. That print there. Oh my goodness. No trades thus far. Nothing to my liking. Nothing to my liking. Okay, the sellers looks like they're gonna win this battle out here. Or not. Buyers just coming up and picking up these levels here. Look at this. Yeah, this level here, 37 and the 30s, between 36 and 38 is becoming to be a crucial level now. There's Bulls and Bears battling it out, and apparently it looks like the Bulls are getting the upper hand at the moment now. Oh, this looks very bullish now. I see a double bottom here. I should have gone long. Oh no. Oh wow, new high. I'm gonna try trade. Oh. And then I'm gonna exit that market if it doesn't move fast enough. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, I'll take it 25. It was staying there, pausing way too long for me. My first trade, the loss. It is what it is. I didn't like that. It was pausing at that level once I entered, and then it stayed there way too long for my comfort. So I decided to exit. I was looking for a breakout right away here. That was my plan of action, and I was gonna take it at 41.25. Mm. I could re-enter here, but don't like this. Yeah, this is beginning to be a very strong level. There's a saying in technical analysis: failed move come fast moves. Now, if the bulls couldn't break this, there could be a fast move down in the short term. This in the past, this would be a situation where I would be over trading like a mofo at these levels here. I'm gonna be patient. I'm not too. I mean, I'm not sad that I got the loss here, or that I scratched it. It was a good opportunity to make a quick, fast buck here, so I'm not. I'm not mulling over the fact that I lost in that trade here. It's just really, really, really trading really, really in the tight range here. So this level here, 39. I think what is it? Yeah, 39. The Bulls are really trying to break this level right now. We're trying real hard. Oh, sell blocks. Look at these sell blocks here. And it still didn't go down with those large block orders. Interesting. Yep, the Bulls won. Yo, look at that. Oh, the Bulls won it out. Okay, that's a new high for the session here. New highs for the session. Very, very bullish tape here. Very bullish tape. Look at all these buyers coming in now. If I waited a little bit, I could have gotten it. No, that's hindsight's 2020. See, the thing is, I can't go short here because it could rip my face here. I can't go long now because it's heading towards this broadening formation line that I drew, and on top of that, it is on its highs. So the risk reward isn't really there as a day trader. That is, for a swing trader, this is actually a good entering point. If you're gonna hold for like a few hours, but I just hold for minutes, so it's not really. I mean, as you can see here, I only held for 8 seconds on the first trade that I made today. So it just goes to show you, like, I do not hold too long. That is definitely not my style right now. If the opportunity presents itself and I'm in a winning trade and everything is working fine, then I'll hold longer. But I know from past experience that when you're in a trade for a long time and you're losing, chances are that's not a good thing. You want to take your loss as soon as possible if the market is not giving you or you're not the market's not your analysis of the market isn't correct. and the way the tape is reacting to that price that you're entered in. You want to just get out when you have the chance. Alright, so the Bulls are firmly in control. Firmly in control. Yeah. Wow. The Bulls, look at that move. Oh, so strong. Alright, now it just hit the upper band of the broadening formation chart. Still, that does not mean that you want to short there. It just means that if you were long, and that would be a good take profit point. Shorting there, I don't know. Actually, there is a confluence of indicators, but still, I mean, look at this. The trend's up. All the moving averages are up in the 15-minute chart. I mean, at this point, yeah, there's no point in that. This is I want to short there. Yeah, I would not short there. Very, very bullish. Oh, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Where's it? Oh, what a nice move up here to the top. I would have definitely taken profits at this point, though, if I was long right now. If I held this trade, that I lost. Look at that. You see? Boom. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, I think this is it for me today. It's going to be a loss. One trade. I don't want to chop myself up. This may be the only trade that I make today. Yep. It looks like it. I don't see a good opportunity to trade here thus far. I do not see a... Don't want to chop myself up. I don't want to get chopped up by forcing trades here in a situation like this. So the key lesson here today is I missed two trades. I missed one particular trade that I wanted to make that could have turned out profitable, which is a shame. But yeah, other than that, yeah. Let's see here. Okay, so sellers are coming in. Yeah, I think it's hard to trade now. It's gonna be, if you're not in a trade already, it's hard to get. Oh, it's reversing. Hold on just a moment here. There may be a potential for a short actually for the short term here. If it closes below the 9-period moving average, I could potentially get a short and just try to get to like 36. Potentially. No, there's new this could potentially be support now actually. In the 15-minute chart? No, I don't. No, going short it would be. There's going to be potential level at 39.75. Potential support 39.75. Yeah, I think it's a very bad idea to go short here too. I would need more confirmation unless it closes below this 9-period moving average here. Okay, sellers coming in. Oh wow, strong selling. Okay. I don't want to go short. It's extended to the downside. I do not want to go short. I also don't want to go long either here. Oh, if you were going to short, it was going to be after this. Now it's too. I missed the move. If I was going to go short, I would have went short there. That's why being indecisive is not a good thing as a day trader. If you're going to make a move, just jump in right away. You see the bulls come right away here. Just bought it right up here. It's hard to do anything here. Do I want to short here? Nah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Do I want to short here? Should I do it? Let me try. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. It's kind of shady shorting into a rising market like this. It is under the 9-period moving average though. But then you see the volume here? The volume at this level? The risk reward isn't there. Yeah, this is yeah, the risk reward isn't there because there is a lot of volume at 37. So I'm only really risking some points for 775. Yeah, the fact that I'm thinking hard on this shows me that it's not too big of a high probability trade, so I opted not to trade it here. Yeah, even though it's right below the 9-period moving average, you have to consider how much volume traded at a certain price. So there's a lot of trades stored in here, so the risk reward isn't there. And on top of that, it is a very, very strong market here. And as you can see, the bulls are just relentless here. So glad that I didn't enter that trade here. Now, obviously, it could potentially go down, but no, it's all right. You know what? I'm gonna call it a session right now. I don't see anything happening for the next hour or so, and so I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna take a loss for today. Losses are part of the game. My only now looking back on it, there's just a one missed trade. Instead of saving a tick, I should have just bought the market back over here. I think it was right. Yeah, around here. No, was it there? No, it was around here at this. Yeah, at 9:30 right here. I was gonna buy it here. I missed it by a tick, and I missed this move here. And after that, I also bought here. I like the scratch, even though, if I held longer, I would have made money. But the hindsight's 2020. But yeah. All right. So if you like these type of videos, please like, subscribe, and again, thanks for watching.